Hello everybody, today we'll do a simple tutorial on how to use the emdReader. This is a zip file, you should have received it. You can unzip it to the folder, then you can see 4 emd functions. They are Matlab functions, so you can use them in Matlab, but you can also open them in the TXT reader. If you open them, you can see for each of the file, they have the instructions accordingly. So if you are familiar with Matlab, you can just look at the instructions. You should be able to use all the functions. If you are new to Matlab, it's also okay. It's quite simple to use, and in that case, probably these two functions are more helpful for you. The emd to AVI, that's for treating the image movies, and the emd to TIFF function is for the images. So first, you find the location where you put your images and the movies. So here we have the folder location here. So you first Control C to copy the folder name, and then you go to Matlab and Control V to paste the location. Hit enter. Now you will see you have your images here, and that's the previous name data. We can delete them. Now to transfer the emd data into TIF data is quite simple. You just type emd to TIFF, and you have two kinds of inputs. You can input 0 or 1. If the details are in the instructions. So if you select 0, it will just transfer the emd files into TIFF, and the metadata. The TIFF are obviously the images in 16 bits, so you are not losing any details. For the metadata, it gives you a lot of details, all the details you can get from the Vertex software. So you have defocus value, and you also have pixel size. You can search all the informations you want. And with that, if you input 1 as the parameter, it will not just give you the images, it will also give you the contrast adjusted images and all the FFT information of all the movies, all the images, and the dots in the FFT image are recognized and emphasized by the blue circle. You can check the result here in the FFT fit recognition. See if, and also the results are outputted in the TXT file. The TXT files gives you all the information about the D-space, angle, and the intensity. They are ranked by their intensities. So the brightest spot are shown in the front, and the D-spacing is in Astron. Okay, that's quite simple. And to transfer the images and to transfer the movies into images, you change the folder name to the movies. So here you Control C the folder of the movie, Control V. Now we got this is the movie, and then use emd to AVI, and you have several input options, and the options are shown in here. So you can input the quality. You want the lowest quality, and 4 is the highest quality, and you can also select AVI as the output format or the TIFF as the output format. So if you select the AVI, it will generate a movie, but it is 8 bits. So if you wanted the original images, you wanted to output a TIFF, because the TIFF can give you 16-bit so you don't ask any details. So the default value here, the quality is preview, so it's quite quick, but you can have a rough look of your images. And you also have the AVI, that's a default value, but of course you can change them into TIFF, and you can change here to 4. It will give you all the original images. See, you got the TIFF 4, and the metadata is also here, showing you, of course, the pixel size and the default value in each of the frames. So it doesn't matter if you change the details during the image creation, you can still get all the metadata. And let's look at the result of the movie. Yeah, it's named by the original name. And you can adjust the contrast manually using this software. You can download it from Google Drive too. And yeah, there's 11 frames in that movie. So you have all. And so that's basically how you use these two functions. And for each functions, you just get your folder right, and it will automatically transfer all the images or the movies in the current working folder for you. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me or ask me in person. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.